Morning, guys. Love it. It's bonfire moment. I'm making nothing. Cheers. So cute.
$10 Chuck.
They're still vlogging. Back looks so good. Pamper Saturday.
We have this truffle parmesan.
Look at this little one. Hello everyone, welcome back. I am popping in today's vlog to do a quick intro. I have a jam-packed vlog for you guys. It's been such a fun and exciting week. I have tons of stuff to show you guys. I had like a fun girls' night. I just jumped out of the shower, got ready for this video. I'm getting ready to head to a meeting, so I thought I would show you guys like my outfit and whatnot. Go to a little meeting at the One Hotel again. I love it out there. They have a cute little breakfast spot in there, so I'm just gonna go have a meeting with a friend, a PR friend. So yeah, also there was the premiere of The Sweet Life. I don't know if you guys watched that on HBO, but my friends are in that show. I make a small appearance in the first and last episode, so I went to the premiere of that, which should be in this vlog as well. So we will see what we get up to in this vlog. It's gonna be jam-packed. I'm excited. Before we get started on the vlog, today's video is sponsored by Vivaya, which is an eco-conscious footwear brand. I'm really excited because they are a brand that truly encompasses the idea of comfort. And if you have been watching my channel and you know me, you know I love to be comfortable and stylish at the same time. So this is the perfect shoe brand. I just want to jump right in and show you guys what they sent over. Vivaya sent over a few pairs of their shoes for me to show you guys. They just launched the Aria 5 Degree pointed toe flat, which I want to show you guys first. I can definitely confirm that they are extremely comfortable. The Aria 5 Degree freely preserves comfort and elegance in the face of accidents like coffee spills, mud spills, and oil splash. They also are extremely customizable and they come in a ton of different colors. Of course, I had to grab one in the nude color just for like everyday basic flats to wear with any outfit. On the side of the box, it says, "Thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life." Love sustainable brands like this that help the environment while keeping us stylish as well. I wanted to show you guys with an outfit. This is what I'm going to be wearing today, a little bit more dressed up and sophisticated as I have a meeting to head out to. These are going to keep me super comfortable all day long, very breathable as well. I'll show you guys the rest of the shoes that I picked out. These pointed toe flats in the purple are so beautiful. I got a couple shoes in purple. I'm just loving this lavender color. These next ones are so cute. I love a little pink bow. These are just adorable, so I had to grab these. Pretty self-explanatory, very comfortable. I love the kind of just slide on and off mule, super cute, and I can't wait to wear these. I just love the little pink bow, they're so cute. Okay, my two favorites that I picked out. I love these, again, with the purple lavender color, super comfortable. Another thing I like about the fabric they use is very stretchy and soft, so you can really wear these all day. The square toe, super chic, and a super comfortable small square blocked heel. These are gonna be great for just wearing to the office, especially for my working girls. This is such a great shoe to have in your closet. Okay, last but not least, these are probably my favorite pair that I got from them. They're like a sock sneaker, and I knew that these would be so comfortable and perfect for running errands. I'm always walking around all over downtown LA, so I wanted something comfortable. Super stretchy, soft knit fabric. Again, very lightweight as well. Great for travel. This would be a perfect airport shoe just to slip on and off. This fabric also repels water and stains, which I think I mentioned earlier, but if you're in a city especially, this fabric is perfect because it helps prevent stain. Vivaya has kindly given me a 15% off discount code for you guys, which will be linked down below so you guys can get your hands on your own eco-friendly, sustainable footwear. That'll be down below, so check that out, and let's go ahead and jump into the rest of today's vlog. Mind focus. Morning, guys. I am stepping out to do my little morning routine, our little Friday morning routine. I take Zoe for a nice long walk, then we go to Starbucks to get, she's right here looking at me. Yes, we're gonna go for a walk. I'm taking Zoe to Starbucks. We're gonna get a pup cup and then we'll take a bath afterwards. Yes, we're gonna get a pup cup. Would you like the pup cup? And go for a walkie? Walkie would be nice, yeah. Do you wanna go for a walk? And then maybe get a bath after? You want a bath too? Yes? I'm just gonna take you guys along with me for the weekend. Amber and Bree are gonna come over tonight. We're gonna make dinner together. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna have steak, pasta. Me and Zoe are about to do our morning routine. And what else? I don't know. Whatever else I get into this weekend. New mirror corner in the apartment. So cute. Found this hexagon mirror. Love it for like checking my fit and stuff before I leave. This is what we're going with today. Just the joggers and a white tank. So I'm out in the patio. I'm gonna enjoy some Starbucks this morning before I hit the gym.
You were such a good girl. See, this is for Zoe. Oh my goodness, the photo.
It's your favorite part of going for a walk? Straw and hot sauce. So it's a little bit later in the day. Amber and Bree are on their way over right now. I just thought I would catch you up. Earlier, I took Zoe for a nice little walk, and then I had the apartment cleaned, and I gave Zoe a bath. I went to the gym. It was a very productive morning, so I'm kind of exhausted, but pulling through because Amber and Bree are on the way over, and I'm excited to cook with them. We're gonna go on the rooftop and grill some steak. I think we might have a truffle pasta in order, and maybe some veggies. I don't know, we'll see. Fingers crossed we can actually get the grill to work. I don't actually know what I'm doing, but you know, we can figure this out with the help of Google. Oh my gosh, naughty doggy, get down.
Did you make it?
So what are we making tonight, Amber?
So I just got back from France like a month ago, and I got this truffle pasta. So we're gonna make this, and Brianna's gonna make a light sauce to go with it. We have this truffle parmesan cheese, so good.
Delish.
So good. And then
I tried it.
Italian truffle cheese.
I'm so excited.
We also have some steaks we're gonna put on the grill, and we've got some Brussels sprouts over here. We've also got some shots on the way. Oh yeah, what happened to those?
Oh, I'll get them.
It's a very truffle night, so please don't come around us.
Right.
It might be a little truffly, but so good.
I'm excited. Really? I feel like it smells
It's
so
rotten
bad.
cheese.
It's like rotten. It smells so bad to me.
I mean,
I'm making
rotten,
nothing.
Root. Rotten.
Either way, I'm excited.
I mean, I guess rotten is the wrong
I don't
word.
know. Aged?
It's a fungus. Fungus, that's what I meant. Fungi.
It smells like a fungus. Anyways, I'm so excited for our meal. Cheers.
Cheers, friends.
A perfect night. We went to the I don't know, the common area in my building, and we're grilling outside. Oh, look who's here, Zoe Bean. Zoe! She's having the time of her life. You're having the most fun. She never gets to come down here with me, so it's fun to bring her.
We are.
Little bonfire moment.
We have the Pinot Grigio.
Yes.
$10 chuck. If you buy 6, it goes down to $7 or $8 per bottle.
FYI.
The red cups.
This is Sam, by the way.
What
Neighbor,
up? What's up, world?
gym friend.
Gym friend. Wine buddy. Vino
Amber's
buddy.
out here in her cozies.
Show the ponytail.
Yes. Where's that pony at?
Braids.
She made us the most
braids.
incredible steak. Dinner was amazing. It was just a great night. It was a good summer vibe.
The French pasta.
So
French
good.
pasta, grass-fed ribeye, organic herbs, truffle butter.
Drinks. Thank you to Sam. It's just been a great night. Okay. Bye, guys.
Mushrooms about to hit.
Good night. It's the next day. Last night ended up being so fun. I don't even think I got clips of the food we made, but you guys, Amber brought over this like truffle salt and like truffle cheese and Parmesan and all of this ingredients that she got from France when she went recently to die. Like they did such a good job on the food. So seriously, I could eat that again today, which reminds me like I'm gonna get some food on the way home today and I kind of want that now, although I had my heart set on Mediterranean already. Either way, today I am headed out because the Phrase spa in the hotel. It's a couple blocks down from where I live. I walk there every few weeks to get a massage. I see my girl Jennifer, who I love, and she just does such an amazing job. I always have such soreness like in my shoulders and neck from working out and lifting weights, and so I always go and get a massage from her every few weeks just to like keep me loose, and it feels amazing. So it's Saturday and I'm having like a little pamper day, so I'm gonna have a massage and I'm gonna run over to Sephora and grab a couple things I need, and then I'll maybe grab some Mediterranean on the way home, and I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna come home and just chill, light some candles, put on a good TV show. If you have any good show recommendations that you guys are just loving right now, leave them in the comments for everyone to see. But I'll take you guys along with me on a cute little pamper Saturday. So excited to dig into this. I got Greek Mediterranean food, just some falafel and a gyro, rice. A lot, I know. I went kind of crazy, but I'm excited. And then I went to Sephora and I stopped in. Nothing really that exciting, honestly. I just picked up a little mini NARS. I didn't even realize I needed another one until I was already at the checkout, and I just happened to see it. So I was like, shoot, let me just grab the little one. Should have grabbed the full size, but I was like already through the checkout. Then I just grabbed my favorite Way hair mask. This one is the thick hair treatment mask, but then I also have, look at this little one. Are you just listening to mom? I also got this shampoo, which I've never tried, for the medium hair. Try it and see how we like it. I have been using like some herbal essence shampoo, which actually hasn't been bad, honestly. That's why I've been using it, but this will definitely be an upgrade. And next week I'm getting my hair done. So excited. So hopefully you'll see that. Maybe you'll see that in this video. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but we'll see. So it is Sunday. I'm going to a little birthday party. Our friends, this is what I'm wearing. A super cute one piece. Bree's in the back on live right now. Because I'm live talking about The Sweet Life. If you guys have not watched The Sweet Life on HBO, Bree's on that show and she is currently talking about it on live right now. So we're all like checking off the content box at the moment. This is what I'm wearing though. Love it. It's from Menier Devois. Love their stuff. So cute. Really, really wishing I would have got it tailored because it's a little bit big in the back. That's the only thing that's bothering me. Other than that though, love this fit. So yeah, we're gonna go to a little birthday party. I probably won't show much footage, but thought I would pop on here. Let's see if Amber and Bree want to say hi. Do you guys want to say hi to the vlog really fast? Hi. They're still vlogging. Bye guys. I just literally rolled out of bed, getting ready for the gym, got in the shower, washed my hair. I'm getting ready to get ready for the gym, but I want to show you guys some activewear that I got. This shirt I just got in from Amazon. I'm actually very impressed. It's giving like Skims, like thick, suction-y material. I'm obsessed. It's so thick and good. So I'm gonna leave this linked. I got a couple other things in I wanted to show you. I think these are the shorts I ordered, hopefully, from a brand I've never heard of. I'll make sure I leave everything linked. Been wanting some shorts with like pockets on the butt. Should we try them on since I have this shirt on already? Let's try them on. Oh, these are cute. I think this is gonna be today's gym fit. What do we think? Obviously with no bra. I like it, it's cute. And I thought the pockets would make your butt look nice. So have this super cute bodysuit, which I wish I would have gotten the pants version. I don't know why I bought the short version. Hopefully I try it on and I'm really happy, but it was kind of pricey. I got it from this place called Davies Active. Completely new to me, but they have so many cute like gym sets, like bodysuits and whatnot. So I bought this one because most of the colors they had were sold out. So I bought the white one of all things. I know, white at the gym. Whatever, girl. Ooh, it feels really good. And I love the open back. Oh, I pray it suctions well. Ah, let's try it on. Okay. So cute. Look at the back. The back looks so good. Loving it. So it's definitely worth it. It's kind of pricey. Definitely worth it. Really wishing I would have got the pants still. I don't know why. I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter. Maybe I'll get like the pant version in a different color. But I do love this set. It is super cute. Okay, and last but not least, one of my favorites that I recently got. This is Lululemon. Definitely worth the money, I will say. It has pockets. It's super thick. I love this part that like zips in the middle. It like really suctions you in. The back is closed, but it does have a little pocket right here. Just thought I would give this little cutie a shout out. And it comes in black too. I feel like the black one you can really wear like anywhere, like running errands. I mean, I wear this running errand too, but the black one is like super chic. So I might get that one too. Haven't decided yet, but love this for working out and feeling cute. Hi guys, it is another new day. I'm headed out because I'm getting ready to go to Brie and Amber's. I feel like I've mentioned them so much in this video, but tonight is the night of the Sweet Life premiere party. If you guys don't watch Sweet Life on HBO, you definitely should. I make a small appearance in the first and the last episode, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think I'm even talking in it, just like in the background, just I got invited as like a friend. So we'll see. I haven't seen it yet, season 2, so I don't know like how much I'm actually in it. I'm gonna find out tonight. Either way, I wanted to intro this part of the vlog. Headed out to the premiere party tonight. I'm very excited. I'll show you guys my outfit later. Hopefully I remember to vlog a little. Yeah, very exciting times. So come with. Okay, cheers!
Cheers to
sweet life!
Life is sweet. Life is very sweet. It really like makes me emotional to just think about just how much